Guys, welcome back. We hope you're having a great time. To make it even better, we're back with another video. As you already know, today's video, it's about awesome gadgets from Amazon that will blow your mind and make your life a whole lot easier. Before you worry, let me give you a spoiler alert. They are all budget-friendly. With each costing as little as $15, Amazon is bursting at the seams with incredible merchandise and interesting gadgets you've never heard before. For those of you who don't have the time to scour Amazon for the latest sales. From cleaning equipment that can save you hundreds in plumbing cost, to low-cost personal protection solutions, high-speed USB storage to keep your data safe from deleting it accidentally, to 24-pin 90-degree adapter. Here are 15 of the most useful gadgets you can buy on Amazon for just $15. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Number 15. Spill-Proof Mug. Price $12. With its Thermalock vacuum cup, this leak-proof and spill-proof travel mug keeps drinks hot up to 5 hours and cool up to 12 hours. This dishwasher-safe locking lid opens with a click of a button and it's easy to clean. Just keep in mind that the steel cup must be hand-washed, but the rest of the set is BPA-free. Number 14. Knife Sharpener. Price $6. Knife stays sharper with a sharpener, resulting in better and cleaner slices. It's available in classic black as well as brighter hues like lime green and fire truck red. You should be confident that this will be an excellent addition to your kitchen, as it has nearly 10,000 ratings and an average of 4.3 stars. Number 13. Outlet Shelf. Price $8. An outlet shelf that allows you to use most of your outlets. If you have an outlet that is inconveniently located and therefore goes unused, this socket shelf allows you to use one of your sockets without having to deal with an extension cord. This rack, which measures 4.25 inches by 5 inches, can accommodate up to 10 pounds. It is very simple to put together. Number 12. Handheld Milk Frother. Price $13. A handheld milk frother that makes cafe-quality drinks. This portable electric milk frother will help you channel your inner barista for at-home cafe-style creations. In seconds, the stainless steel whisk heads up with frothy milk. This powerful gadget already has over 4,000 stars and 4.4-star ranking, and comes with a variety of colors, including black, ice blue, hot pink, red, and aqua sky. Number 11. Mini USB Powered Fan. Price $13. A USB-powered mini fan that keeps you cool when things get a little hot. This micro USB-powered 1-speed fan with 4-inch blades can provide a cool breeze. The brushed metal finish is timeless and makes for a lovely addition to any space. Simply choose from a copper or antique nickel finish. Number 10. Charged 3.0 Portable Charger. Price $15. All your USB-powered devices can be saved from low battery with this portable charger. This portable charger fits conveniently in a pocket or backpack, measuring 3.9 inches in length, 1.3 inches in width, and 1.2 inches in height, for a lightweight on-the-go power source to hold your laptop, tablet, or other USB-powered electronics alive longer. It will charge and be available for all your gadgets in just 3 hours. If fast charging is important to you, the Charge 3.0 has 4 ports, including a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port and USB Type-C. There are also 2 smart USB ports, which will provide your computers with the power required to charge as quickly as possible. Fast Charge 2.0 devices can also be charged quickly using the QC 3.0 port. Number 9. Compact Umbrella. Price $12. With its 95% UV protection, this small umbrella is light enough to hold in your pocket at all times while also providing you excellent protection from rain and shine. This umbrella's fiberglass ribbing is both waterproof and wind-resistant, and the Velcro tab keeps it closed while not in use. Simply select a color from a palette of 25 options, including dark purple, rose red, a sunflower print, black and white striped, and more. Number 8. Scalp Massager. Price $9. A weird scalp massager that does more than just cleaning the scalp. This battery-free scalp massager and shampoo brush stimulate blood supply and oil glands when exfoliating and cleaning the scalp thoroughly. Some users say it will also help them relax. It's fantastic. I'm trying to find some relaxation, so it was recommended that I massage my scalp to alleviate tension. It's fantastic. Number 7. Nano Hold. Price $10. It's probably time you ditched your selfie stick in favor of a new way to securely connect your phone or a tablet to the wall. Nano Hold is a simple and convenient way to mount your phone or tablet to any flat surface. Nano Hold is a product that is around the same size as a credit card. A quick and easy way to mount your device on any surface. Make hands-free operation a breeze. Its microscopic suction cups, also known as nano suction, are capable of holding 100 times their weight. It's attached to the back of your device easily, so you can engage in any hands-free use of your phone, such as watching videos, cooking instructions, making a TikTok, or taking selfies. Number 6. Mini Griddle. Price $15. This small but powerful electric griddle can cook your favorite breakfast food such as egg and pancakes, as well as grilled cheese and cookies. It's incredibly simple to use due to the non-stick surface and blue indicator light that indicates when it's ready to use. With over 1,200 stars and 4.4-star ranking, this appliance is a #1 bestseller. Number 5. Tub Shroom. Price $13. Tub Shroom, which collects hair before it enters your pipe while allowing water to drain, will help keep your drains from blocking up. It's easy to clean and maintain and can work in any normal drain or with a dimension of 1.5 to 1.7 inches. To satisfy all your drain catching needs, there is even the Shower Shroom, Sink Shroom, and Stop Shroom. The Tub Shroom, which has saved countless of drains and has over 18,000 reviews to back it up. Number 4. Jawbone Up Move. Price $15. Jawbone Up Move Activity, a sleep tracker with fog clip. The Jawbone Up Move is a workout exercise and a sleep tracker that you can wear on your wrist or snap onto any piece of clothing. You can also use the Up At Diet Source to keep track of your food, drink, calories, and nutrients and see whether you're eating well. Compete with your friends and family to achieve your health goals while having fun. The Jawbone Up is available in a variety of colors. Number 3. Samsung Superfast USB 3.1 Storage. Price $13. This 3-in-1 flash drive fits in your phone to help you clear the room without losing it, and then into a USB port on your computer for a smooth move. It works on almost all computers and has a storage capacity of 32 GB. A cable-free 2-in-1 Type-C USB on-the-go flash drive that provides expanded storage and fast file transfers between your smartphones, laptops, and PCs. It also comes with a keyring to avoid loss. It has features like waterproof, shockproof, magnet-proof, temperature-proof, X-ray-proof. Number 2. Besu E-Alarm. Price $15. Everyone has a right to personal safety without spending hundreds or thousands of dollars. Well, the future of personal security has arrived with E-Alarm. Studies have shown that alarms are an effective deterrent for assaulters. With an E-Alarm Pro keychain, you'll feel safer than ever. E-Alarm is palm-sized. It has a friendly portable emergency alarm that can seek needed attention from bystanders or drive away unwanted advances from both humans and animals. It generates a 130 decibel siren, which is said to be equivalent to an ambulance and can be activated by simply pulling a pin. And if you ever find yourself in an area with no cell service, the device can also serve as an SOS. You can easily use an e-alarm in an emergency when traveling, running, or commuting. With a size as small as your average USB drive and 130 decibel micro speaker, the Your Alarm is the world's smallest portable emergency alarm, and at just under $15, it's also the most affordable. Number 1. Gerber Dime Multi-Tool. Price $15. Gerber Dime Multi-Tool. You never know what tools you might need until the time comes around and you'll find yourself empty-handed. The idea behind the Dime Multi-Tool is simple: always be prepared. The Dime is a very tiny, highly portable multi-tool with an impressive list of features, ensuring you are ready for almost anything. Dime took the standard keychain multi-tool and made it even better. In addition to stainless steel pliers, wire cutters, and fine-edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, a flathead screwdriver, crosshead driver, tweezer, and a flyer. The Dime includes a unique blade design to safely cut and score plastic packaging in a bottle opener that is exposed whenever the tool is closed. At just under $15, this butterfly open tool fits on your keychain, yet has 12 useful tools. It's available in multicolors, and they've even got a bladeless version, perfect for kids who want to be prepared for almost anything in life. Gadgets are an essential part of our life, and we can't miss deals like this, which provide such a great value for money. Amazon, as always, provides such a variety of products right at our doorstep within a couple of days, with options to return and even replace the product you ordered. creating an open and exciting market for people to order and get their hands on life-changing products and improve their way of living. And some products just provide such a great value for money, while some of them with the ability to save your life in tough conditions. Let us know in the comments which gadgets blew your mind and made you order them right away. With that being said, I'll head out. Until next time, see you guys in another video. Make sure you hit the like button if you loved this video. Subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell button so you never miss out on any video and the deals that we provide with our insight. Peace out.